Hi everyone, welcome to Byte and Beyond. My name is Anish, and in today's video I'm going to be talking with young devs or people who aspire to become developers in Africa. I know you have that dream of being a developer. I'm going to help you achieve that dream. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can get started, which tools you need to learn, which technologies you need to learn so that you can become a successful developer. So, number one, you have to know the type of market you are building for or you are running for. Most developers tend to just watch YouTube and they learn different technologies thinking it is going to apply. Some of the YouTube videos you are watching, they are showing you technologies that work in the Western world, like in the US, in the UK, or in Asia. However, when you learn these things, you find that when you come to Uganda, no one is hiring you or employing you to implement this. It's important you understand your market, what kind of people you have, what kind of businesses you have, and what kind of technology will they be building. When you analyze the market of Africa, it is still not fast growing. We still have very many businesses that just need presence online, others who are just starting up some apps. It's really not intensive. So when you are learning your technology, you have to put this at the back of your mind. So I'm going to be telling you some of the tools you must learn to become a successful developer in Africa. The tool number one, you need to learn how to design websites. Why is it important? 90% of the customers we get in Africa will be telling you to design for them a website. I know you may want to become a back-end developer, but it is going to become handy to know how to design a website because your client will want you to know how to. Even when he tells you to design a back-end, he will still want you to design a website, or at least to know some basics about it. And this is very easy. You can get started learning HTML and JS or HTML5. You can as well learn Bootstrap. You can also learn WordPress, Drupal, and other CMSs. Or you can even go ahead and learn React for that. It's important you learn how to design and develop websites. With that said, you have also to know where to host your website. Most of these websites will be hosted on shared hosting, that is cPanel. You need to familiar yourself with cPanel. It's a common shared hosting platform. I know there are other panels like admin panel and others, but the commonest used among very many hosting companies is called cPanel. So Google it, search it, and learn it. It is going to come in handy, and that will be good for you. The second thing you need to learn PHP. PHP is a programming language for web. Actually, over 90% of websites, I will tell you, they run on PHP. Why is it important? Because you are going to be building mostly web applications. So it's important you know that you learn a web application development language like PHP. Very easy to get started with, and today there are even better frameworks that can improve on how you implement it, like MVC frameworks like Laravel, CodeIgniter, and others. I would recommend those first two, Laravel and CodeIgniter. They are well approved and they have a good community online. It will get you sorted. Another thing you need to familiar yourself with is Git. I don't know how to stress this, but Git. If you are starting out how to design, they may not have told you in school, but Git is going to be important. Git is going to help you manage your code. You don't want to tell your customer that you lost their code because your laptop was stolen or the flash you had on got corrupted. Git is going to help you manage code versions at any time. You want to go back to changes you made some time back, Git is going to be important. So if you want to become a successful developer, learn how to use Git. You can use any provider like GitHub offers some free tiers, so you can use GitHub, GitLab, or even Bitbucket. But learn how to use Git in your programming. So if you have learned how to design websites, you know PHP and you know Git, it is going to get you well started. Secondly, learn some other languages like Python or Java. You have to learn a bit of multiple languages so that you know you don't miss opportunity. We are now going to talk about mobile apps and front end, but before we get started, hit that bell button, click subscribe and like the video. So when it comes to mobile apps, of course time is going to come and you need to build mobile apps. There are really clients that want to build mobile apps. Always choose cross-platform technologies like React Native. Why? Because the budget of the application is always going to be low. So since the budget is low, pick technologies that are not expensive. You don't want to build an iPhone app separately and again you build an Android app or a different technology. Using a cross-platform technology is going to help you manage the client's budget, because people in Africa really don't pay a lot of money on these things. So pick technologies that are cheap. So the general rule of thumb should be a generalist, which means learn different things but don't over specialize at the start of your career, because you don't know how your career will be driven. Don't start saying I am an AI dev when you are just starting up your career. Start when you are a generalist, when you can do everything. First of all, it also give you broad knowledge on different platforms which will be useful in the future. Secondly, choose technologies that are cheap to implement, because you are going to always work in small budgets. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel. Press that notification bell, like our video, share it if you found it important. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.